When officers in Gainesville, Florida responded to a shoplifting call at JCPenney, they expected a routine arrest. Instead, they walked into a chaotic web of lies where one suspect attempts to frame her own accomplices for carjacking just to avoid a theft charge.
Stay in the car! I got you running on foot. Give me your keys because you're
What's that?
Turn your car off. Turn your car off.
What, sir? I didn't do. What the hell did I do? The lady just jumped in my car.
Had you what?
That just had a knife in my throat, bro.
Step out of the car.
Good Lord.
Stand right there. Turn and face the car, and we'll figure all this out.
Oh, you will, sir. I ain't do nothing. I'm
What's
good.
going on by Wells Fargo? Male and female ran eastbound
That's too.
toward 62nd.
Them two go.
Okay, all right. Do you have any ID on you?
Yes, sir.
Where's that?
I'm right there in my blue purse right now.
Just stay right there.
Ran westbound towards 62nd.
Who had the knife?
The damn girl in the front.
What?
She had that at my throat.
Do we have
Look.
a description?
I ain't gonna lie to you.
First one was shorter, tan shirt. The other one taller, like a white shirt. Allegedly, the one with tan in the tan had a knife at this driver's throat. In here?
Yes, sir. That's him. Look, I'm gonna put this on the ground, okay?
I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
What charges y'all got?
We have shoplifting right now, but if I'm investigating right now, they just hopped in your car?
Just hopped in my damn. You can ask the lady in the pink.
Allegedly, they just hopped in her
Just
car and
hopped
put a
in my
knife
car.
to her throat.
Hopped in my car with damn bags. What the?
That's the bags that they got
And
right
they
there.
did the other man like that too.
Take a seat.
Can I explain to you? what
Yes,
happened?
now you can.
Me and my girl were fighting.
Okay.
We were fighting. We already had cold and stuff, but we were arguing about the kid. So I told her, if that's the way it's gonna be, then you can pay for the shit by yourself.
Okay.
Because when I went there, I didn't have my card anyway. And she was like, so really?
The driver immediately goes on the offensive, claiming she's the victim of a violent carjacking by two strangers. But while she spins her tale at the car, officers locate the alleged carjackers hiding in a nearby tree line, and the situation is about to get loud.
We got a handcuff.
What was you doing?
We're at 1077.
Ow! Just hurt.
Can I help?
No, that.
Stop pulling.
Let me get up. I'm not gonna do nothing.
Yes. The other one's in his car. She's in his car.
Roll over.
Please.
Roll over.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Sit up.
Please. Can you help me up? Can you help me up?
Just a second.
You're clear on what's going on. We have one subject.
So, you caught your BMW people here?
You did?
Yes.
Excellent.
So, can you tell me exactly, there was two that ran to the car?
Right, there was one that actually, hang on. Not that, okay. The short midget, whatever it is, guy or girl, we cannot figure out. This is like the fourth time they got into the BMW.
The store manager blows the case wide open, confirming that not only did suspect one wait for the thieves, she actively opened the door to let them in. The carjacking was a complete fabrication. Armed with the truth, the officer heads back to confront the driver.
You see this lady right here? I think she owns the BMW.
Okay.
The redhead?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you accompany us over here to where we have these folks detained and identify some people? It'll be I guess you can drive with me.
We'll find out who that is.
That's what we're doing. We got them caught. So we're going to figure out.
Who is that?
I don't know. But we're going to find out, verify your side of the story and whatnot.
And that lady in the pink, she works at JCPenney.
We got somebody over there.
My subject over here is saying potentially there's a third subject that was in the vehicle with them. I don't know if you've seen anything.
I only have the driver. Do they know the driver?
And more. She said one of, so, okay, 3% total, then we have two, and then you have one. Cousin or something.
Oh, so the driver's the cousin of the people they got in the car?
I don't know who that is.
I believe so. And they will know her name. Find out if they know her name. It'll help narrow down what's going on.
I need to ask you some questions before I do. I understand. Before I do, I need, these are, because of the nature of the questions, I need to let you know what your rights are. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in the court of law.
Driver is the cousin of the subject I'm out with, and first name is Nakia. He doesn't know a last name.
Carry on, please. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't even know her.
Then how does she know your first name?
Oh, I don't know how to know my first name. Sir, my information in my damn glove box.
But they just hopped in your car and
Listen, ask the lady. But
and then why they had time to go through your glove box?
the
Is that what
bitch
you're
was
saying?
tripping in there. She was tripping in there.
You put it back passenger side, please.
What's going on? We have one subject
Right now you're being detained. Passenger side.
back parking lot of Britain.
Okay, and you tell what I'm being under arrest for.
Well, right now I have to ask you a couple of questions.
Address.
You know your license is suspended?
Personal information. That's a cousin.
Yeah,
they may be because of insurance.
Okay, so
They may be because of
yep.
insurance.
So that's why you're under arrest for your license being suspended. Number one.
Okay.
Number two. Your cousins are in the car because they have your phone number in their phone. So if you want to continue that lie, here's the thing right now. Okay.
I'm listening.
The truth shall set you free. May set you free. A lie will take you to jail. Okay. Right now, depending on how much property that is, we're looking at a misdemeanor. If we're looking at a misdemeanor amount, you're looking at a notice to appear. If you want to lie to me and jerk me around, make my job harder, I'll take you to jail and we'll figure it out that way. So I'm going to let you sit here and think about it for a minute.
Her story begins to crumble when the stranger supposedly knows her first name. The officer offers her a choice: come clean to a misdemeanor or face felonies for this elaborate lie. Let's see which path she chooses.
Angel, both those 99s local, or are they from Ocala area or south?
Delaney's is local and out of
All right, go ahead and have a seat back in.
Davie County, and the second one is just strictly out of Davie County, BOP for signal 19.
This is Jennifer.
Yeah, I figured.
Okay, so as she was trailing them out of the store, the other two, which I don't know if those are them or not.
Yeah.
This one was waiting in the parking lot by the BMW.
Okay.
They ran to her car, get into her car,
Right.
and she gets in the car after them,
Oh, okay.
and then they drive off.
Okay.
So
Hang on. Just so you can refute this.
I walked out of Forever 21. I was buying something. The clothes that I was buying is still up there on the counter. Okay? I was coming out of the store. The lady in the pink, she looking at me. She's shaking her head. Okay? It was a car in the, I was looking around. It's a car. It was a Jeep that was backing up. What's going on? And I see the big tall girl, which I know that's her girlfriend. So I'm pulling out. I'm walking to my car out of Forever 21. I get in the seat. I get in my car, I get in the driver's seat, crank up my car. She come and hop in my car, the little short one. Her name is Lena.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's the only thing I lied about was her name. Her name is Lena. She came, hopped in my car. I know, right? She came, hopped in my car. And
Despite her theatrics and the intricate backstory involving a knife-wielding cousin, the body cam footage sealed her fate. All three suspects were charged with shoplifting and obstruction, proving that throwing your accomplices under the bus usually just results in everyone getting run over. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the officer gave her too many chances to tell the truth, or did he handle the interrogation perfectly? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this breakdown interesting, please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm push this content to more people. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and smash that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Police Body Cam action. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.